Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. September 28th, I think. No, September 27th. The 2025. Just thought I'd give you an update. I'm getting ready to put it together now. Get ready to put the wire. I've got all the wires in now. I put in the fuel tank pressure regulator, put in the O2 sensors, put in the evap canister purge valve, put in the evap something, a couple of evaps. I also put in the PCM, not the PCM, but the ODD, that thing. Put that in there. And sorry about that, y'all. So what I'm doing now, I got all my grounds. I did my grounds. I got like 8 or 9 ground points. Maybe not 8 or 9, maybe 4 or 5 ground points. And so as I was doing this, I said, let me go ahead on and do a video. So I'm getting ready. I'm putting this back together. This computer. Maybe one day I'll give me a harness, guys. Maybe I should ask you guys to give me one. It costs about $500 if you get the one with the emissions. It costs about $500. And I'm so cheap and broke, I say that I can do it myself. Which is why I'm here talking to you. Let you know how I'm doing. Hope y'all doing okay with y'all projects. Y'all take it easy. And I'm gonna put this together and put it in, or put it in the car. And I'm gonna start it up. I'm not gonna try to. I'm gonna start it up where the wires lay. And then once it starts, and I know that joker is just running without stopping, then I'll just leave it like this for a while. And I think the next thing that I will do is check the transmission to make sure the transmission is functioning properly. Now, to do that, I have an option to use my current jack stands, or get me some more robust ones. These jack stands I've had a long time, and if I get the more robust ones, I'll feel more safe under the vehicle. So I just might do that. Okay, guys, I'll take it easy. Thanks for stopping in. Once again, I said this is mainly for whomever gets this car later, and my family, my offspring, my kids, if they get it, because more than likely I'm gonna sell it. Ain't nobody gonna give me no more than $500 for it, I bet you. So anyway, y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, let me show my face. There I am, so we all know that it's me. Y'all take it easy, and talk to you later.